Mark, you mentioned earlier that you knew you needed to get more product out. Well, this equipment helps get more product out, and talk about deadlines or timelines with it.
Well, timeline-wise, in 1 year, we'll have a whole different facelift. I'll just say it. We'll have a facelift in 1 year. It'll be quicker than that, hopefully. But as far as getting product out, what we've accomplished in the last 2 years and what we're going to add, we should be able to produce about 3 times as much product in the same timeline. Mike says 3, I say 4. More to come on that.
That's a constant debate, but at least we're both going in the right direction.
That's right. It's very automated equipment. What we currently run or have had in the recent years has been a lot of manual intervention required. So we're going to automation, like Mike said, quality, quicker turns, and then at the end of the day, also safety. It'll keep all employees out of the line of fire is the idea. Keep them off to the side, pushing buttons on what to do instead of actually doing, hate to say doing the work, but you know what I mean. They're not doing the work themselves. They're letting the machine do all the work. As staffing continues to be challenging, that I don't see that changing in the near future. So this will certainly help with that. We can do more. Our recent addition that we put down was a roof line. Went from 6 employees to 2 on that. Did we get rid of 4? No, we absolutely did not get rid of the 4. We moved them to other areas of the shop. So it's not like we're not reducing headcount. We struggle to add headcount, so we're just reallocating them within the shop.
And to add to that briefly, if I may, and I know Mark says have people not necessarily doing the work. To expand on that, people are doing the work more with their brain than their brawn. And that's really what we're trying to do for our team. Make the environment as safe as possible, as user-friendly as possible, and allow them to use their intellect rather than solely their muscles.
And I just have to ask the question, Mark, you can divert if you want to, but in any manufacturing industry, it is about delivery times, right? So as we think about this innovation, these new products, the team who is able to push product out faster, how does that affect some delivery times?
It has a tremendous impact. Currently, we are on-time delivery. Nobody in the industry could say that even 6 months ago. So we have the industry's lightened up. I am realistic, but at the same token, we're able to produce so much more now, quicker. We're just more efficient. We just flat are better than we were in the past, and we're still making improvements.